Right there are my Lycan Shepherd Toki on the left. He's 11-month-old. My Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan on the right. He's 6 years old. It's negative 18 below 0 Fahrenheit with wind chill. I'm in the middle of a big blizzard right now. We're at the entrance to a large wilderness off-leash dog park. Come along. Kurgan, Toki. Kurgan checked Toki into that tree. Down. Absolutely beautiful out. This is my favorite type of weather to hike in. I'd prefer it to be, you know, 20, 30 degrees warmer, but hey, I'll take it at negative 18 below wind chill. You know it's cold because you can hear that snow squeaking. When the snow gets really cold, it squeaks like styrofoam. The colder it gets, the louder it gets. Kurgan catching Toki. Kurgan! Hey! He doesn't want to play. He's feeling rambunctious today. They all get happy in the snow. A little slick here. We're walking over a frozen wetland area. You can see that where Toki's stepping here. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful, huh? The natural spring that comes out of the rocks there. That's why it's not frozen yet. Freezes as it gets farther down here. Keeping the young heir to the throne in check. No, he's just playing with Toki. If Toki was upset, he'd let him know. All right, come on, Kurgan, knock it out. Come on. Hey, hey, Kurgan, come here. Knock it off. Again, just telling him to knock it off. He's very vocal, so he likes to bitch. Come on. It's a Wolfdog thing. He growls when he plays, he growls when he's affectionate, he growls when he's angry, he growls all the time. They're up here playing with the collie type. Come on, Kurgan. Toki, come on. Hey, come on. Come on. They're very friendly. They just like to play. Sure. We'll be right past you.
Okay.
Come on, Kurgan. Come on. Come on, Toki. Toki, come on. Good boy. They wanted to play with the border collie. They have a couple of border collie friends down here, but that one was a little intimidated, which, you know, it's easy to understand if they've had bad experiences with other dogs. Man, it is just, it's like a snow globe right now, isn't it? Just beautiful. Come on. Now you can see after me doing the muzzle grab and hold with Kurgan, he's being a little gentler with Toki. And again, he isn't being mean to him. It's like an older brother, you know, pushing you around when you're in the snow. But I don't like to see it, you know, get out of hand because, you know, I don't want Toki to then do that later on. You know, dogs often mirror how they were treated as puppies, you know, as they get to be an adult. And that's why it's always, there's a golden retriever snapping at Kurgan. That's why it's always important to make sure your dogs have positive experiences when they're young with other strange dogs. Come on, guys. Toki, we're going this way. They're very friendly. Come on, guys. Good boys. Enjoy your walk. It's picturesque out today, huh?
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's like a snow globe. Come on. Come on. Good boys. It is beautiful. Come on, Toki. First Toki's in the mud. Come on. Toki, come on. Like he's got a friend. Come on, Kurgan. We're gonna go out to the point and then we'll climb up and circle the ridge. Gotta be careful, I'm walking over water here. It's not very deep, but I can hear it creaking underfoot. You see where it's open right there. Kurgan. So Toke man, you're a mess. To make sure we hit some clean open water before we get back. He's just like his grandpa Kurgan. He loves the water. It doesn't matter how cold it is. It's 18 below zero with wind chill, and you see him wallowing in it over there. People just don't understand quite how thick and dense Toki's coat is. Toke, come on. I had someone in the comments the other day said they thought Toki was looking a little heavy. I had to chuckle. His coat on his shoulders, if you push in on either side, goes in about 2 to 2.5 inches. His undercoat is the thickest of any dog I've ever owned, and so if you think he looks a little thick, it's all that winter coat. He's a lean, solid piece of muscle underneath that, and you can see that in just how athletic he is and how easily he glides around. He's not lumbering around like a heavy set dog, that's for sure. And it's just beautiful. Hey, come here. Toki, Lobo, come on, or Kurgan, come on. I don't want him to go out on the river. That right there is the mighty Mississippi. A bunch of it right here is covered with ice, but it's thin. It would break if I tried to walk on it. Right here is where the natural spring, cold spring, works its way down and runs out into the Mississippi. Man, it is just beautiful. relieving some sciatica. Good big man. He's telling me, come on, Dad, let's get going. Toki rolling around in the snow. You're ruining my scenic shot, Kurgan. Yeah, get out of the way. Move your butt out the way. See, now you caused me to miss it. That's Kurgan's happy sound. And there, right, buddy, you're happy, aren't you? That's what Kurgan looks like when he's smiling. Boy. The snow beast. Kurgan, hey, don't play so rough. Knock it off. See if I can get up here. It's pretty slippery. Woo! His tire is sliding up this thing. Oh, that was a workout. Oh my God. I got the blood pumping. Hey, wrong trail, we're going this way. Good boy. Good boy, Toki. It's another form of scent marking. You see dogs scratching the ground like that. Hey, Kurgan, Toki. Good boys. Come on. He wants to give me a kiss, and I don't want a big kiss right now. I don't want my face wet with this cold a wind chill. Again, you can see it's 18 below zero wind chill, and my dogs are in the water like it's nothing. Any water on the lens? Nope. Well, my battery just ran out of juice, and I had to stick in the extra one I brought along. Let's continue. They're very friendly, don't worry about it. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on. Ugh, slippery as up there. Come on. Toki, come on. Come on. Good, how you doing? Enjoying the day, it's beautiful, huh? Come on, guys. Kurgan, come on. Up. There's a pit bull that got, or a pit mix that got a little reactive and snapped at Kurgan. I just wanted to reassure the owner because he started to get upset with his dog that I was okay with it. You saw that he relaxed, which again, that diffuses the situation. Come on, guys. It's all up here. From here on out, we're steadily climbing out of the valley. Come on, guys. Kurgan, knock it off. He's dunking Toki in the snow, and I'm just telling him to knock it off. He's just playing, but I don't like to let those things get out of hand. Man, tell you what, you get a workout walking on fresh powder on top of ice. Dogs are waiting for me. My sciatica is acting up, so I'm just kneeling down for a minute to let that nerve unpinch. I got hit by a truck years ago on the job as an animal warden, and as I said before, it left me unable to walk for a while, and I used to cane for several years, and this channel started as a vlog of my recovery hikes with both Kurgan and Lobo, and because a lot of people knew who I was online because of my bulldogs and all the work I had done with them over the years, a lot of those people migrated over to my channel, and it just kind of grew into what it is now. As I always say, what that is, I don't know, but we have fun doing it. Now, guys, I'm gonna save myself that slippery climb up that way. I think we'll have an easier time going up here. Come on, hey, up. If you're going up something slippery, if you turn your feet sideways like you see me doing, and you drive the edge of your boot into the snow really hard, it's a good way to get up slippery surfaces. I don't know, I'm an infantry paratrooper. I've hiked up a lot of slippery surfaces in my time. Isn't that beautiful? We're up at above the river valley now. We just hiked through. Again, it's my favorite weather to hike in. Despite the 18 below 0 Fahrenheit wind chill, I'm actually feeling pretty warm and toasty right now. Again, you can get out in these cold temperatures and be comfortable doing stuff as long as you keep moving and you keep that core body temperature up. Climbing uphill again. Dogs are up here waiting for me. Well, this should be a beautiful video. I'll have to make a couple music video footages. God, I can barely talk because I'm so winded. I'll have to make a couple music videos with the footage too. Come on, guys. They've been going through here and cutting out all the invasive buckthorn trees. I don't know where the buckthorn came from, but apparently it's really hard on the wild bird population in the winter. When they get hungry, they eat the berries on it, and it causes dysentery, and a lot of them dehydrate and die. So I think that's one of the reasons why they're removing it. My mustache feels totally frozen right now. Get my sciatica acting up just a moment. Toki waiting for us. Kurgan, hey, we're going this way. Good boys. Come on. They like to sniff around these piles and cut down buckthorn because there's often little critters hiding in it. The fence you see right there is the outer edge of the dog park. Again, my beard feels totally frozen. You got an ice ball in your toes, Loki? Come on, Toki. Come on. I'll have to trim some of the hair between his toes on the pad of his foot. It looks like he's getting some ice ball stuck there. I have to do that to Lobo also pretty frequently. All right, guys, come here. We're done. That's the end of the walk. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Bye for myself. My perpetually beautiful wife Tammy sends best wishes. She's working right now. We would have filmed a video yesterday when she was off, but we just ended up doing other things and didn't end up filming. But with her birthday coming up, she's got a couple of days vacation, and that combined with her upcoming days off, we'll get some footage in with her. I always enjoy hiking with her best. Again, like, subscribe, and share. We've got a merch store down below that really helps us if you want to help support the channel, and it allows you to get something cool in return. We are currently under a shadow ban with YouTube. I have no idea why, because we're just a dog channel that likes music, but you know, you can see in the analytics where it happened. That just means that YouTube isn't advertising our content to new subscribers like they used to, and you know, they're not putting us up in the search engines searches when people search either. It's a bit frustrating again because I think we have a pretty positive channel, but you know, there's not much I can do right now in the current political climate with the leadership at YouTube the way it is, so we'll just make do with it. The way you can help us bypass that though is subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed. Also, if you think you're subscribed, double check. YouTube may have unsubscribed you. That's been happening to a lot of people. Also, click that notification bell and you get notified when our new videos come out. It really helps us if you share our content on other platforms to help us bring in new people. Again, thank you. That's all. Bye. Come on, guys. Good boys. Right there you see a frozen Mr. Kurgan and Toki. People often ask, why don't you take all your dogs out with you on these hikes? Well, for a couple of reasons. One, I drive a Jeep, and that's all the space I have, which is only enough room for 2 to 3 large dogs at a time. The other reason is park rules don't allow you to take more than 3 dogs per person. So that's why I only take that myself, and why when Tammy's with us, that's all we take also, again, because that's all that the Jeep will carry. Now you know. Hope you enjoyed the hike from a very frozen Chad and the dogs. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.